Hello kids. So today our aim is to identify the pronouns in a story. Already we learned the pronouns. So what are these pronouns? Why do we use the pronouns? So pronouns are used in place of a naming word. See, if there is a boy, any boy name Ramu, Raju, any singular, we say he. So he is a pronoun used for a boy. Then what do we use for a girl? For a girl, any name or any girl. Okay. For that we use she. She means a girl, singular. For a singular boy, we use he. For a singular girl, we use singular boy, we use he, and singular girl, we use she. Now, if we take anything like a car, an animal, a single animal like a dog, or anything, whatever it might be, for a single animal or for a single thing, we say it. Now, if we take two boys, two girls, two things or more than two, or combination of all, like two boys and a girl, three boys and five girls, or many things like cars, many cars, flowers, animals like birds. So many plural, if we take the plural form of animal, things, maybe places. So all we say as they. We use the pronoun they. And normally for ourselves we use I. So I is the word we use for ourselves. Now I am a girl. If we are talking about yourself, about the person who you are, so then we use the pronoun I. So I is also a pronoun we use for ourselves. Next, then what is the other one is the combination of others and yourself. So if we take your brother, who will be there in your house? Maybe your parents, your grandparents, your brothers and sisters. So all together live in a house. So along with you. That means your parents, brother, sister and I. So if these many are there, combination of all these, we use we. We use we. So the combination of all and yourself, we use we. So I, we, they, it, she, he. But what about when you are talking to other person? What do you say? What do you use? What do you use about the other person when you are saying? We use you. So you is also a pronoun which we use for other persons. When you are talking about the other person, we use you. So you is also a pronoun. So totally we have 7 pronouns like I, we, you, they, he, she and it. So for what do we use these pronouns? We use the pronouns in place of a noun. So we use pronoun in place of a noun. So what are they for nouns? Normally, if you consider a noun, for a noun, we take the names of the person, place, animal or thing. So for all these we use the pronouns. So the pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So these are the pronouns. Now what is our aim today? Today our aim is to identify the pronouns in a story. So already we completed the lesson about Rolly and Rana. So in this lesson, you want to identify the pronouns. So if a name is repeated more times in a story, they won't use the name but they use the pronoun. So pronoun is used only when a repetition takes place in a sentences or in a paragraph. Same name is repeated more times or about same person, same things or something. If they repeat more times, they use the pronoun. They replace the noun by using the pronoun. Now you know what are pronouns. So I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So these 7 are the pronouns. So now you want to identify these pronouns in your textbook Rolly and Rana lesson and circle them. Okay. So after completion of that, we want to write, you want to identify and write the sentences in your volume. Now open your volume page number 10. So if you open your volume page number 10, you can see the pronouns in a story. So there is a story here. Read the story and circle the pronouns. You want to read the story here. Can you see a paragraph given? So in that paragraph, you want to identify the pronouns. Just remember the pronouns which we have read previously and you want to just identify that pronouns and underline them. Now you want to make sentences. If you see the second question, make sentences with any 2 pronouns circled above. So above you are going to circle. So in this paragraph, whatever you are circling the pronouns, using any 2 of these pronouns, you want to write 2 sentences of your own. So try to complete page number 10 in your volume and send it to WhatsApp. Okay children? Thank you.